Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Mitsubishi Outlander service light. This is a straightforward process you can do yourself. First, make sure your car's ignition is completely off. Then, find the Info or Multi-Information Meter button, usually located on your dashboard or steering wheel. This button is essential for navigating the display and initiating the reset procedure, so get familiar with its location. With the ignition on, but the engine off, gently press the Info button. You'll see various information screens cycle through on your display. Keep pressing until you reach the service reminder display, which often shows a wrench icon or a message like routine maintenance required. This specific screen is where we need to interact to proceed with clearing the reminder. Once the service reminder is clearly displayed, press and hold the Info button for about 2 seconds. You'll notice the wrench icon or the service message on the screen start to flash, indicating it's ready for your next input. While it's actively flashing, give the Info button a quick, light tap. This action will change the display to clear or show the new service interval, confirming the reset. Now, go ahead and start your Mitsubishi Outlander's engine. The service reminder light should no longer be illuminated on your dashboard, confirming a successful reset. Your vehicle's maintenance schedule is now updated, and you're all set until your next service interval. It's a simple fix that saves you a trip to the dealership. Great job, you've successfully reset the light.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.